Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gabe, and welcome to another episode. I'm here in Wat Chaloem Phra Kiat in Lampang province. As you can see, it's very beautiful, the mountainside. I'm on top of the mountain, as you can see, and it's very beautiful, as you can see, and it's just a spectacular view. And thank you for following me on social media. And I'm going to be focusing on the different aspects of the mountain. So let me just focus in on that. So that's the top of the temple, the mountain there. It's very beautiful and spectacular, as you can see. And now I'm going to be walking this way, okay? Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. Thank you for over 300 subscribers. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Let me focus in on that now. As you can see, that's the top of the stupa. It's very beautiful, as you can see. And I'm just going to focus on a couple parts and aspects of this place. And I can't believe I found it, and I found it. So it was kind of magical how I found it. But if you come to Lampang province, I highly recommend that you come here, guys. That's the top of the stupa, and it's built on the mountain, like a magical paradise fantasy. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna be walking. Walking down now. So it's a long walk. So you can follow me, okay, guys? Okay, let's go now. Because it was raining a little bit, but I'm gonna be walking down now. Okay. Okay, guys. As you can see, it's very beautiful. I'm starting this video from the top of the mountain. So I'm just walking. Okay. Hope you enjoy the ambience. And I'm just gonna walk so you can enjoy it, okay, guys? Okay, so I'm walking. This is like a 500-meter walk, but it took like a half an hour to walk up here, so. I gotta be careful when I walk, okay, guys? So. I forgot my hat, guys. Hold on a second. I forgot my hat. Let me get it. Hold on, okay? In the meantime, let me just focus on these stupas here, okay? It's very beautiful, as you can see. So I'm just walking down right now, guys. I forgot my hat. I'm gonna get it right now. Thank you. Okay. I forgot my hat. Okay, guys. Okay, now we gotta get out of here. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Okay, I'm walking down now, guys. I forgot my hat. Okay. But I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for over 300 subscribers. Yeah. And today's a beautiful, very beautiful day here in Lampang. I'm so lucky that it's not raining, because if it's raining, I cannot do this mountain. So, okay, I'm just walking now. I gotta walk all the way down, so just come with me on this adventure, okay, guys? Because I already took a lot of pictures, so I'm already good to go with this place. And it was a very magical place, very beautiful place. I highly recommend that you come here to this place. Yeah, guys. So I'm just walking around. There it is, guys. Wat Chaloem Phra Kiat, temple on the mountain in Lampang province. That's how beautiful it is. And now I'm walking down, okay? Now it's gonna take a while for me to walk down, so. But I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I gotta do a lot more videos, guys, but I gotta be careful when I walk down, because I don't want to break my back or break a leg, so. it was a good workout, guys. It was definitely a good workout. I highly recommend that you come here. And I'm just living the dream right now. Yeah, it's just a great place to come and pay your respects. But anyways, walking down now, as you can see. And they have stairs here, as you can see. So this is just like trekking on the mountain. Oh, by the way, yesterday when I went to the mountain, I went all the way up to the fourth floor, the fourth level. They call it Ya 4, Ya C. So that took an hour and a half for me to trek, guys. It took 4 kilometers to get up there. And it took me 4 kilometers to walk back, another hour and a half. It took 3 hours of trekking, guys. That was the longest time in my life I've ever trekked. It's a once in a lifetime thing that you gotta do. I'll never do that again, but it's a once in a lifetime thing. But I can't believe I saw a girl. She was running. I would never run on the mountain. It's so dangerous. I hope you enjoy my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be doing more videos like this. This is the second mountain I've been on, by the way. So I'm going back to the city, guys. I got a lot of stuff to do. I got to go back to the city. So my camera memory is almost full, so after it's full, I'm probably going to stop making videos and just take pictures. Because I don't like using my phone. I used to use my phone, but my phone keeps on overheating, so... There's people coming up here. I don't know why. People coming up here. It's closed. Bit loud. Look at that. Hello. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีปีใหม่
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hello.
เดินไปสิลูก
she's cute. Yeah. I gotta be careful, guys, because this is very dangerous. One slip and I'm a goner. Straight to the hospital. Seriously. It's very steep, guys. Oh, now the steps are dry. It's dry now, yeah. When I was walking up, the steps were wet because it was drizzling, so...สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีปีใหม่ครับ I'm saying Happy New Year to them because it's the Thai New Year, 13, 14, and 15. So that's what they say here. I like living here. There's so much holidays. I mean, There's literally like 3 or 4 months holiday throughout the year. It's insane how many holidays you can get. It's so relaxed. You get so many holidays here living here. It's insane. That's why I highly recommend that you guys move here, because my channel is geared for the new man or woman that already live here or who plan on coming here. So, hey, two birds and two bets. Hope you're enjoying my video. So this is the bridge here. So I'm just walking on the bridge now. I hope I don't run out of memory, but... Okay, he's taking a picture, but I gotta get out of here. Thank you. Okay. Look at that mountain range, guys. It's so beautiful. I highly recommend that you come here. You gotta be really in great physical fitness to do this though. This is not for the faint of heart. Let's put it this way. Điครับ สวัสดีปีใหม่ครับ Alright, let's check out this mountain range. Let me zoom in on this mountain range and you can see the city here. That's the city, guys, and that's the mountain range, as you can see, and it's very beautiful there. So, yeah. It's very beautiful, guys. Let me see if I can zoom in, I guess. I don't know if I can. I'll try to zoom in on something. Let me see here. Maybe I'll zoom in on that town. Let me zoom in on that town. Okay, that's a city. Okay, I just zoomed in on that town. Let me zoom in over here. So this is just the city here. And let me zoom in on this little mountain range here, maybe. Let me see the summit there, the top of the mountain. Let's see if I can get that. Okay, let me continue walking now, guys. Let's get out of here. We got to do a runner because the bus is leaving at 4:30. We got to make sure we get on that bus. A lot of birds here. I have the tripod on, by the way, guys, so it's an easy grip for me, and the microphone on, so. But I'm going to stop the video now, guys, because I have to focus walking down, okay? So I'll see you in the next video, okay, guys? Thanks for watching my channel. Take care of yourself. Okay, guys, because I got to focus on walking down these steps. I got to get out of here. Take care of yourself. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.